Coolant Renewal. Apply the handbrake, then jack up the front of the vehicle and support it on axle stands. Pull the bonnet release handle in the driver's footwell, release the secondary catch, open the bonnet and support it with the bonnet stay. Position the draining container under the car and open the lid on the coolant expansion tank. The coolant drain plug is located at the bottom of the radiator right-hand end tank. Attach a length of hose to the drain plug and direct it into the drain pan. Open the drain tap. You may need to use a flat-headed screwdriver if it's tight. When the flow of coolant stops, tighten the drain tap. Lower the car to the ground and remove the drain container from under the car. If coolant renewal has been neglected, or if the antifreeze mixture has become diluted, then in time, the cooling system may gradually lose efficiency, as the coolant passages become restricted due to rust, scale deposits, and other sediment. The cooling system efficiency can be restored by flushing the system clean. Add the correct coolant to the expansion tank via a funnel by slowly pouring the coolant in until it is up to the filler neck. Screw the lid on firmly. Start the engine, turn off the aircon and run it at 2000 to 2500 RPM until the cooling fan switches on. Continue running the engine at between 2000 and 2500 RPM for a further 2 minutes. Stop the engine and allow it to cool, then recheck the coolant level. Top up the level if necessary and refit the expansion tank filler cap.